to Baking with Dummies. Today, in honor of the Christmas spirit, we will be making some cookies. First off, you need Betty Crocker sugar cookie mixing batch. Because you can't cook or bake, and neither can I. You need 1 stick of butter that we have right here, an egg, there's an egg inside here, and mix everything. The first thing that we need to do is that we need to melt the butter. Here we are at a microwave. So you just kind of take this butter, so now we wait.
A few moments later.
And so there you have it. A nice, slightly melted, not exactly liquid, butter. Wow! So the next step is to prep our baking tray. If you could take a look here, there's already some butter. So all you kids following at home, just take your spatula, spread it. Make sure, kids, that you don't lick this stuff. It's very unhealthy and you'll get diabetes. This is so that your cookies don't die. It's time to start creating the batter. The egg. Alright, time to knead the dough. Be careful, kids, these might look delicious, but don't eat the cookie dough. Alright, so now you got your cookies. So now we have to go to the kitchen and put them in the oven. Hey Siri, start a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.